Okay. I've been listening to Donald Trump.
President Donald Trump's administration.
Well, there it is again. It's coming on again. He did a big speech out there in Florida.
A White House statement read.
And,
While we don't believe the existence of settlements,
you know, what he says is all good, but there's a lot of newscasts on that aren't so good for him and his administration. They say that he has hardly any of the positions filled in the White House. They can't even turn the lights on. We're having chaos in the streets, chaos everywhere, and I've never seen it so bad from any president in the past. But I hope things turn around and we all do good together. God bless and have a nice day and enjoy the site where it's posted.